practice far more important and more potent than forgiveness, and that is asking for forgiveness. Apology is a vital practice in leadership, but asking for forgiveness is a step beyond apologizing. You're handing the power to them. You're allowing them the option to forgive or not. You've put yourself in their hands, and you're certainly not in a comfortable space. In fact, you're vulnerable and displaying immense humility. Asking for forgiveness is a much more noble place to be than when you're the one doing the forgiving. When you ask for forgiveness, you're exposing yourself and pleading for benevolence from another person. Because forgiveness, asking for it and granting it, builds trust and reinforces connection, creating stronger bonds and deeper intimacy than ever.